One of our local 3D printing companies, Bamboo Lab, offers parts kits for models on their website. I was impressed with their kit to build a mouse with 3D printed parts, and I wanted to try something different. These parts will be used to make a card shuffling machine. I printed the pieces in 2 different colors that I thought would complement each other, and am reading instructions for the first time while assembling this machine. Assembly was pretty straightforward, with only one part that I put together the wrong way. I think it's convenient to package the O-rings, screws, and bearings together, all the parts that I need for this kit, as it would be really easy to make a mistake and order something in the wrong size. I also love that these kits can inspire new ideas. For example, using bearings at both ends of a printed rod is an awesome solution to dramatically reduce friction with printed mechanisms. The instructions said to point these 2 cylinders in the opposite direction, and I didn't realize quite what that meant at first. Because they spin toward the middle, the way I installed them meant that both sides shoot a card into the center at the same time, which led to some immediate jams. After disassembling and reassembling the left side axle and gear, things should operate smoothly. The 2 blocks are weights to hold down the cards, though they're only really needed for the last few cards. Now that I've fixed the gears, the machine is mostly jam-free. Let's check it out in slow motion. Each axle has a drum in the middle with 2 rubber O-rings. The drum isn't completely round, and because of its shape, there is a slight delay between moving one card into the middle and grabbing the next card. This is how the cards are able to move into the drawer without jamming, and how, if everything works correctly, we get a well-shuffled stack of cards. The drawer fills up pretty fast, and I was able to shuffle 120 cards in only a few seconds. Even with jams, this machine is much faster at shuffling than I am. You're welcome to come try it out today after lunch.